Hey everyone, welcome to our video on treble and bass clefs. So talking about specifics between them, right? Treble and bass clefs are going to be different because the notes are going to be different within them. A normal treble clef is going to look as such. It's got this symbol at the front, and the note progression is going to go from middle C down, okay? This indication here is going to be middle C, right? The note progression for the bars goes E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay. The lined notes are E, G, B, D, F. Middle notes are F, A, C, E within the spaces. Bass clef follows a different note segment. For bass clef, our notes go G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. Our lined notes are G, B, D, F, A. Our space notes are A, C, E, G. All right. So the sequence of notes is different. The notes names are the same. We still go A through F, but we are going to have a difference in their placings. So let's look at another example of this. Here's a standard treble clef. Treble clef, we always start with what is known as middle C. So here's our middle C down here. Your chromatic scale or your C to C scale would go C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B. Okay. So this is a standard treble clef. This is a standard progression. Bass clef is going to be a little bit different. Middle C is going to be here. Okay. So instead of having middle C at the bottom, you have middle C here. Chord progression is going to go E, F, G, A, B, C, D, and then E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E. Right? So this chromatic scale in the bass clef is going to be a little bit different than our chromatic scale in the treble clef. So a normal C scale is going to go C to C. It's an 8-note progression. In the bass clef, you would have a normal E scale. This goes from E to E in an 8-note progression. A good way to remember this is a couple of acronyms. One that I find very useful is going to be this for treble clef. You can go with flowers deserve butterflies. All right. Every good butterfly deserves flowers. Okay. Every good butterfly deserves flowers. That's E, G, B, D, F. Those are aligned notes. For the bass clef, here we can see all cows eat grass. Those are the spaced notes, or A, C, E, G. For the line notes, we use growling bears don't fear anything, or G, B, D, F, A. Okay. So for bass clef, all cows eat grass. For our space notes, A, C, E, G. For our line notes, growling bears don't fear anyone, G, B, D, F, A. For treble clef, for our line notes, we have every good butterfly deserves flowers, or E, G, B, D, F. In the space between, we can see F, A, C, E. So our progression goes E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F. Right? And those are a couple of good acronyms to remember the note progressions for treble clef and for bass clef, starting at the bottom of the staff, going to the top of the staff. All right, that's the difference between treble and bass clefs. I'll see you all for our next video.